A branch is a part of a tree. It grows out from the trunk of the tree.
I can do it! I did it! A brave person is someone who is not afraid of danger. Dash means to run quickly. It's evening. The sunset is so beautiful. The evening is the part of the day after the afternoon and before night.
These are all mine.
Togi is greedy.
A greedy person wants more than they need.
This is a pass. Pass.
A pass is a piece of paper that says you can do something.
Two mice pass. To pass means to go by or move past something.
This is a present for you. Happy birthday!
Thank you so much.
A present is something that you give to someone.
This is a present for you!
Doggy, where are you? You are present.
If you are present in a place, you are there.
This is a stream. Look, I see fish. A stream is a small, narrow river. This is a trail.
Wow.
We followed the trail. There's a magical cave. A trail is a small path in nature. Do you want to walk on the trail with me? The kite is stuck in the tree. I can't reach it. Don't worry, I'll help you, Egg. Yes!
Whew, it's so hot. Come sit on the bench. Drink some water.
A bench is a long seat for sitting. Let's cross the bridge. Who might be living inside the castle?
A bridge is something that is built above and across water. We have to cross the bridge.
You cannot cross.
We can cross!
Is that Togi? Togi?
Togi!
Wow, look at this crowd!
A crowd is a large group of people or animals together. Let's dive in! It's really deep. Wow! A magic key! Deep means a long way down. What's inside this basket? Yuck! The fruit is rotten! Here are 5 fresh fruits. Wow! Thank you! Yummy!
Togi!
Throw it in the trash can.
We are frowning.
Frowning means making an angry face.
Red light is a signal to stop. Let's travel around the world.
Travel means visiting new places. Yeah! What a beautiful beach. I love the beach.
There is a treasure map hidden on this beach.
Really?
A beach is a place with sand and water.
I found it.
What is it?
It's a bottle.
I wonder what's inside. It's a map! A treasure map! Wonder means to be curious. You want to know about something. Huh? What is it? We are lost. I don't know where to go. Wait! I have an idea! Really? An idea is something you think of. It's a plan. Huh? Wow! Yes! Let's follow the seashells. A seashell is the shell of a sea animal. Look at this seashell. Look at that wave! The wave took the seashell. Let's follow the wave. A wave is moving water in the ocean. Look at the wave.
There it is! Wow, that's a huge stack. The seashell is on top of the stack. A stack is things placed on top of each other.
Go to center. The center of the map is marked with an X. A center is a place in the middle of something.
We found the center! But where is the treasure? I don't see any treasure. Look, what is it? It's a tiny key. It's so tiny. Tiny means very small. This key is tiny. Look at this tiny key. Wow. What does it open? Look! A treasure chest! Finally! We found the treasure! We did it! Look at that beautiful ocean!
It was a happy day.
Yes, it was!
The ocean is a very large area of salt water.
One day, Togi followed a magical flower balloon and discovered a magical secret.
Today is Saturday. Tomorrow is Sunday. It's the weekend. Let's go to the forest. Come with me. Let's explore. A snowstorm!
A snowstorm is lots of snow and strong wind.
The sky is clear.
Clear means no clouds. Now we can see easily. Look, a rainbow.
A rainbow has many colors. Wow! Look! The flower balloon is floating.
Float means staying on water or in the air without falling.
Let's follow it. Where did it go? Shh. I'll show you a secret place.
Whisper means to speak very quietly. An enormous butterfly. Wow. An enormous means very, very big. Flap your wings at midnight, and you'll get magic.
Magic?
Midnight means 12 o'clock at night.
You should flap your wings. But how? Watch me. Now you try. You did it exactly right. Exactly means look or happen in the same way.
Exactly.
My house! I finally arrived home. What a fantastic day!
My friend looks pale. What happened to him? Let's learn 10 words through a story.
Look! The lighthouse is bright. I want to go there.
Bright means full of light.
The lighthouse is on an island.
An island is land surrounded by water.
We're almost there. I'm tired. Look, it's an inn. Excuse me, may we rest here for a while?
Welcome. This is an inn. Travelers can rest and sleep here. An inn is a place where travelers can rest and sleep. I'll make some cookies for you. I need flour. Here you go.
I'm nibbling my cookie. Nibble means taking many small bites.
Chew slowly, Togi. Don't eat too fast.
Chew means to break food into small pieces with your teeth. What's wrong?
You look pale.
Pale means looking very light because you are scared or sick.
The wolf sprinkled strange powder on the cookies.
How did you know?
I need to warn everyone, never eat it.
Warn means to tell people about danger.
We need the magic potion. The magic potion is in the forest. Let's go to the forest.
You found it.
Don't worry, it takes time. 1 hour from now, you'll be fine.
1 hour?
An hour is 60 minutes.
I feel great. We did it! Let's learn more fun words next time. Subscribe!